What do you know about the people who visit your website? Do you feel like you don't always achieve the results you want? Are you sure you're targeting the right customers? SmartBI can help. Our web profiling dashboard helps you understand the people visiting your website in a user-friendly interface. The dashboard is divided into two sections. The first, at the top, contains the filters. These allow you to configure the dashboard in a few clicks. For example, you can choose to show the profiles of people of a certain age group, from a certain region, or even according to the device they use to visit your site. It's possible to analyze the profiles using data from one specific year or from multiple years. Once you've made your choices, the dashboard will show you information about the gender of your visitors, their age group, the type of device they use to view your site, their language, and their region. You can even obtain information about their different affinities or preferences. For example, nearly 6% of your visitors are music lovers. Finally, if you have a large enough sample of visitors, you'll be able to see which in-market segments are of interest to them, and you can even get a more detailed view by hovering your mouse over a specific market segment. Targeting the right users online is crucial for the success of your digital business. Thanks to the web profiling dashboard, you'll gain superpowers without having to predict the future. For more information, contact us. We're predictable.